All right, we just got finished using our bore light and looking inside our chamber, and everything was looking good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to scrub the front of this face of the cylinder, and we're going to scrub the back, and we're going to get the outside all cleaned up with the dirt and grime and the outside stuff that gets on there. Now for the front face, I like to use, and especially since this is a stainless cylinder, I just use my light steel brush here. And I'm just going to kind of work in a motion, and I'm just going to lightly scrub. And what I'm also helping do is, since we have that break free and we've had it setting in most of the day, that break free's had a chance to really get in and loosen up a lot of the stuff. And so what this brush does is it just works in conjunction with the break free and helps them both do a little bit better job for you and your firearm. And I just kind of stick here in the cylinder where my base pin comes through the cylinder. I'm kind of working my way around that because a lot of dirt likes to build up in those corners. And I'm just going to give a good scrub to that. I kind of hold this brush a little tight in my hand. I put a little downward pressure with my thumb here. And that just helps me gauge how much I'm pushing down and whether I need to push a little bit harder or I need to take a little bit off. And feel free to really spend your time doing this. I mean, this is a vital part of your Blackhawk. You know, the cylinder is going to hold your cartridges, which is, you know, the cylinder is also going to be what turns to help you or to let you fire the cartridges, discharge the cartridges. So you want to give it a good cleaning. And feel free, if you think you need a little bit more break free, to use it. I put a pretty liberal amount on earlier, so I don't see that I need to use any extra right now. But if I needed to or I wanted to, I could. At this point, we're not too worried about how much we're using because we're going to eventually do a really good wipe down. We're going to get everything swabbed out. All right. Now that I'm looking at the front of that, that's looking scrubbed up real nice.